Welcome to the demonstration of the new Scalable Smart Packager Professional. In this video, we will demonstrate how easy it is to work with MSI-based applications using the Scalable Smart Packager Professional. In this demonstration, we will work with the Adobe Acrobat Reader MSI. From the Smart Packager console, under the Welcome tab, click Discover New Packager task. This will launch the Smart Packager Discover Wizard. Click Next. Give the package the name Adobe Reader. Select Advanced Options. Although advanced options are not necessary and by default the advanced options will be preset, for this demonstration we will be selecting them. Click Next, and at this point the package creation options will appear. The first option, Create Compressed MSI Package, will allow you to create a compressed MSI packager. If unchecked, a smaller MSI package will be created with the necessary source files. The option to lower your MSI schema version is also supported. For this demonstration, we will be selecting version 3.0, which supports Windows XP Service Pack 3. For the installation mode, you have the option of a per-machine installation or a per-user installation. A per-machine installation is beneficial if you intend to push your MSI package out across your network. For packaging mode, you have the options for regular or smart repackaging. This is the major difference between packaging up the legacy applications or using the smart repackaging option. The smart repackaging will detect whether you are working with an MSI-based application, and the advantage is that the smart packager will not repackage the MSI, but will import the MSI from the C Windows installer folder and wrap this into a second MSI. The second MSI is only used for installing and uninstalling, with the advantage being time saved with having to install the Adobe Reader running the installation wizard. With this feature, there isn't a need to repackage the OEM setup routine or the MSI. A simple copy down to the clients is all it takes. At this point, click on Next and the option to digitally sign the package if you would like to distribute the MSI outside of your network. The benefit is that you can rest assured that there will be no viruses attached to the MSI and the source was from your development organization. Click Next to enter the File Exclusions section. There are a few areas on the computer we are not going to look by default, such as the recycle bin. As you can see, there are some other areas as well. If you want to override this, simply remove the directories or the files. Or you can add in extra ones. Perhaps you have an antivirus on your computer that you would like to block out the noise. This can be accomplished by using file exclusions. The same goes for registry exclusions. You have the option of removing any registry key as needed. Once you have completed your setup, you can click the Start Discovery task. Now you can click on the Adobe Reader and click Run. Please note that this is not the Adobe Reader, but a stub launcher that was previously downloaded from Adobe. Now that the installation is complete, simply click on Finish. But before the Stop Discovery task is selected, you need to open up Adobe Acrobat and set a couple of settings and preferences. The first is to accept the End User License Agreement, which will eliminate this from being presented to the user community. You can simply accept it for them, so it isn't presented as it's deployed across the network. Another setting is within Edits and Preferences and is associated with Adobe Updates. This option will eliminate the user from receiving notifications that a patch update is available, as you may want to handle patch management internally. To disable this, simply select Update and click on Do Not Download or Install Updates automatically. Click OK, and you now have Adobe Reader configured exactly how you would like it distributed across your network. Now you can close the Adobe Reader application and select the Stop Discovery task and click Next to begin the package analysis process. Before the MSI creation process begins, a list of files and registry keys will be presented. The user interface presented is identical to that of familiar Windows Explorer. You can see which files are being pushed down. Here are the reader files and other files that are supposed to be associated with Adobe Acrobat. If you find files that are not associated with Adobe Acrobat, you can remove them. You can also see the installer cache. This is where the actual MSI is going to reside. You can access the modified keys in the registry. These are the registry keys that were picked up. Notice this interface looks identical to regedit. We can go into Software, the WOW 6432, here's the Adobe Reader, and you can drill down and start to see some of the registry keys that are being added. Once you verify that these are the correct files and registry keys that you want in your MSI package, simply click Next. Then select the Open Package folder after Creation button, click on Finish, and the process of building the MSI package will begin. Here's the Adobe Reader MSI that was created. As you can see, it is not compressed. Here are all of our source files and a results HTML package. What is actually inside of the MSI is displayed. This can be saved in order to document the entire process. This concludes the Scalable Smart Packager Professional Adobe Acrobat Reader MSI demonstration. Stay tuned for new Smart Packager demonstrations brought to you by Scalable Software.